In this video, we will learn how to copy a list in Python. If we have a list already and want to make an entirely new list based on the first one, to copy a list, we can make a slice that includes the entire original list by omitting the first index and the second index. This tells Python to make a slice that starts at first item and ends with the last item, which will produce a copy of the entire list. Let's see how to do it. For example, I have a first list Mike friends, which will contain the friends of Mike, and their name will be John, Albert, and Rick. And we will have another list, and it will be Peter friends, and we want all these Mike's friends to be now Peter friends too. So we can copy this by using Mike friends list and not specifying any indices and store the copy in Peter friend. So the syntax like this. And now I'm going to print first Mike friends print my friends are print and pass in my friends list. I need to save also. And now we will see if Peter has the same friends now. And those friends are copied to Peter friends list. I'm just gonna print Peter friends are just need to print Peter friends list. And save and run our script to check. And after I execute my script, we can see my friends list and then Peter friend list, which are copied from my friends list. Now they both contain the same friend list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.